We are here to discuss how we can assist you to achieve your dream of studying, working, living in New Zealand. That's why we are here. In order to do that, we need to have a proper plan, proper guidance, and also roadmap, action plan that can execute with confidence. Because without confidence, you can't do this. That's why we are here. Ladies and gentlemen, trust me, we're going to build that confidence here at this Goldfields Hotel. So, I'm going to share some important golden tips for you. Sometimes you may already know these points, but actually we are not applying these things in our lives, right? Because all of you are well matured, right? So, carefully listen to what the speakers are saying. Some of the speeches will be a bit lengthy, but every single word that they tell has a value and also there's a point of it. So, so listen carefully. So how many people here have read the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill? Have you heard about it? Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. That's okay. Okay? That's the book that you must read. Okay? If you haven't read this book, please find it and read it. Okay? So I'm going to take some of the point of that book and I'm going to relate that to this process and tell you how important those facts are. Right? I'm not going to talk about study options or any other thing because I have already spoken this in my YouTube videos and also we have professionals to speak that. But here, what I'm giving you is something different.